Hello. Mm, this is vlog on 2nd of October 2015 and the time is 6 o'clock. We'll ignore it because it is 15 minutes fast. So I am starting on a journey. Like I have been planning for it since I came to Chennai. Like I want to visit the places where I grew up. So it took me 4 years to start this journey, and today I am starting it. And I have with me my bestie Shiva. So we are going to start this journey, and I hope we walk it. So we almost completed like 25% of our journey. So we crossed Mamalapuram, we had some tea, and we are on the highway to Pondicherry. So cars are moving like damn fast, man. So I just wish we make it to Pondicherry on time safely.
Okay, done.
Then
We are on the way and I'm recording a video while driving. How crazy is that?
so we have covered like we are yet to cover like 16 kilometers away from Pondicherry. Around like 3 by 4th of our journey is completed, and we have a signboard here which says Chennai at 125 kilometers. God, I am amazed that I have covered this distance. So I am standing here because we were just passing by and I happened to see the sea and I could not hold back, and I just convinced Shiva to stop by and just spend some 2 or 3 minutes here. So let's get a look at the beach, and means we are seeing people holding up here and like couples. We have cars here. So who doesn't hold back after a very, and the sun is like scorching. It's around like 9 o'clock and the sun is like scorching hot, man. I don't know how I'm going to spend the whole day. Oh,
Excuse me, not I am. We are.
sorry, how we are going to spend the day. Guy, you are going to drive, man. You are having helmet. So it's pretty cool. And unfortunately, the beach is polluted. Welcome back, folks. So we are in Pondicherry. We had our breakfast. We bought these specs for 50 bucks, and we are in Ariyur. And this year is my school, Sri Hindocha Charitable Trust Junior Secondary School, where I completed my 8th standard in the year 1999 and 2000. So usually this gate was not there, so the inner gate was available. So I used to come here by bus. That's my school in there. So it's a very huge building, and a very big ground is there. Unfortunately, today, being October 2nd, the gates are closed. So now we are going to Madukari, where our family stayed for around 3 years. So let's rock. Folks, we are in Madukari. So we came from this Puducherry road, and this road will lead to Viluppuram, and we have another road behind the bus, so which leads to Kadalur. So let's move on to the places that are my memories in this village. So this house you see is our first house in Madukari. So we stayed here for a month or two. So opposite to it is the house of a famous MLA of this village, and we used to have our father's have is here. I don't know, they demolished and they converted it to something else. It's some storage area, I guess, but earlier there used to be an office here. So let's move on to the second residential area in this village. So this was our second home. The house where you can see a black bucket in front of that house was the second house where we stayed. So this was the street. So let's move on to the third house and the school where I completed my 6th and 7th standard. See, this is Balar Vidyalaya High School. So my memory was saying like Bharati Vidyalaya School, but it is Balar Vidyalaya School. I completed my 6th and 7th standard here. So the school's building was on this side of the school. So we used to have like cottages, so there were no sheds. So, and the school was having only till 7th standard. So I like enjoyed it a lot. So let's go on to the house which is very close. So I used to come to school on foot. So I guess it is just a few blocks away from here. So this here is the milk deposit center. So unfortunately I'm not able to locate the house we stayed last. So I'm just going to capture all. Maybe when I show this video to my parents, maybe they will be able to identify where we stayed. So I'm just going to capture the blocks, I mean houses, all the way, all around the way. So let's just hope that my parents capture it. And the school has grown just a bit bigger. So this whole place was like fields of mango, but now it's a campus. So it's like amazing. So that's it, guys. So now let's go to the mosque where I completed my Quran recitation classes. So folks, this is the masjid where I used to come recite Quran. So it was a very small place. Now it has been enlarged. There used to be like lots and lots of trees. So I just like feel ironical and nostalgic because when I used to come here, it was like a very big mosque and I used to be very tiny. Now I have increased in size, so this thing is like bigger now. So I am bigger and the mosque seems to be small. So that's it about Madukarai. So let's wrap it up, and so we are going back to Chennai. So if I remember anything on the way, I will just let you guys know about that. This house is the place where I used to board my bus to Ariyur school. So I just wanted to share that. So our bus used to come and stop by, and we used to play at their house until the bus comes and picks us up. So at last, first part of our journey has been completed. So we are back home after around like 3 hours of journey and 2 that in dark. So on the way we just had a halt to just try boating. So it was like around 600 rupees for a minute on motor scooter, and we preferred like paddling for 2 people, and which costed around 150, and it was a total disaster. Totally, like we tried to move forward and it was going back. So at last we ventured into a place where we shouldn't be, and we messed up with a fishing net of a fisher. So he was like demanding 2,000 rupees. He was really scorned, and he was like saying, I am going to collect 2,000 rupees from whoever is responsible. So we just tried to escape from that place. So one happy part is like we got a chance to ride a paddling boat as well as a rowboat. So it was a good thing. So we are back now. So now we have to start having dinner, and seriously saying our bodies are in like messed up state. Like we are totally tired. So I'm not sure when I'm going to wake up tomorrow in the morning. So tomorrow our journey will be starting at around 3:25. So the video logging will start at 3:25 in Central Railway Station when we board the train to Karpadi. So bye bye and good night. Chennai Central. We reached here around 2:45. So we are next to Trivandrum Express, which we are supposed to board now. So let's just check out the seat allocations for us. So we are going to the chart. So seat number 27 is me, and 32 is Shiva. So let's just start the journey. So we will be boarding the train in another 10 minutes, which is set to start at 3:25. Bye bye till then. We are in Velur. So we are in the Velur's oldest bus stand. So we are supposed to get into another bus, which will take us to Bagayam, and then we have to board another bus to Sathumadurai. So let's hope that we find the bus in time. We got down at Sathumadurai and we are on foot. We are going to reach Sabdalipuram, which is around like 5 minutes walk from here. So sooner we'll be reaching there. Hello folks, we are in Sabdalipuram. So we reached here half an hour back. That there is my uncle Bhajan's home. We are very close relatives. So like he is a God-given uncle to me. This here is the masjid where we used to come do our namaz, and this is the only masjid for the 3 villages of Sabdalipuram, Pennathur and Sathumadurai. It has been a very good link to me. We used to come from Pennathur to here on bicycle. Me and my dad used to come here. we will be checking out those places tomorrow in the morning. Hope we get a two-wheeler to travel those parts. Till then, I am signing off now. Good night. Tomorrow morning it is a big day to record Pennathur. Okay. Good morning, guys. So we are in Sabdalipuram. We woke up just half an hour back. We are here in. So we just came out for a troll because we were feeling a bit inconvenient right there. On our walk here, I came to see the Eidgah. So basically, an Eidgah is like a place where Muslims normally gather on Eids like Bakrid and Ramzan. So the thing is like they start from Masjid, they recite some duas, and they come join in here and complete their namaz and disperse. So that's how it's means identified. So normally most of the villages have. Now the cities, as they don't have places enough to hold such, build such constructions, they aren't there. So right here you can see the whole backdrop of this village. It's very open and you can see the mountains. So it's like sweet and very clear, like untouched world by the cities. Then we are still yet to fresh up. Once we get freshed up, we are just going to visit Pennathur and see some places. Then we will wrap it up and board the train to Chennai back. Till then, adieu.
We are now driving with TVS 50. I am enjoying the ride. So this over here is the graveyard. So my dad and me used to come to namaz at 10 o'clock in the night during Ramzan. So you just got to imagine the imagination that goes on through a kid at the age of 10 and 9 years. So people used to speak about the Kateris, which literally is the vampire in English. So they used to say like the ghosts and Kateris used to live here. So my imagination was like wild and frightening.
We stayed here in this house first time when we came to Pennathur. We are now heading to Pukar Ganesh uncle's house. So they were close relatives to us. We are in Pennathur. We visited Pukar Ganesh uncle's house. So that's his house. And right here we have a very old destroyed building. So this was the building where my parents used to work. So it was like central government's handicrafts department carpet weaving training center. So that's the state of the building right now. So it was an open place earlier. So it's gone. Next to it we had the handicrafts workers, but they were not central government, they were private ones. They used to weave palm leaf related things. So it was great as well. So this whole place was like farmland. They used to grow groundnut trees, sugar cane, rice, etc. Now it has been converted to a poultry. So next we are moving on to Manju Amma's home, where we stayed for a very long time. So let's go. We are right here at Pennathur Junction. So it was an empty place earlier. Now it is AS Mahal. This curve leads us to Central Jail Path, and this corner leads us to the oldest memoirs. And right here we used to have Manju Amma shop, which has been restructured and they have moved away from this village. If we go into that street, I used to study there. We had a school called Bharati English medium school. I studied my second, third, fourth there. That there is the theatre, only theatre in Pennathur. We used to stay just ahead, like the street is closed. There was a house where we used to stay. We were tenants, Manju Amma's home. So we were close to her. They moved out. So the specialty of the theatre is every time there is a show, we used to hear oldest songs. Right here we have the pond.
from our school we were able to see the pond and just see it. That's it. We cannot venture into the pond. It's dried out mostly now. So right here we have the Sandai. So these blocks were used for selling veggies on weekly basis. So on Wednesdays, farmers will gather up to sell their produce. So this road here leads us to Amirdi. Amirdi is like picnic spot where people come on their holidays, and it has a very small zoo where they have deers and small domestic animals. Domestic in the sense, animals which are not carnivores. So we are done with Panadur. On the way, like I spoke with one of Anna from Ganesh Uncle's house. So we were planning to board a bus at 10:30 from here to Bagayam and then to Katpadi. But he offered another option, like we are supposed to board a bus from Central Jail. Vellore has a Central Jail. So from there it is easier location and quick to travel. So we are going back to their house, then we are going to board the bus and back to Chennai. Bye-bye. We are in the bus to Katpadi. Right now we have stopped at Vellore Fort. So the background behind those two people sitting on the fence is fort. So once the bus moves, let us just have a look. Maybe this seat is blocking the view. I'm just going to show up the front side. Right there. Right there is the fort. We are in Katpadi Junction. Last night we were not able to take it because it was raining and people were very in a rush. We got this. Our train is scheduled to come at 12:30 in platform 2. So we are in platform 2. Once we board the train, the log will be closed. Once we reach Chennai, we will get you back. And do wait till I share the experiences of Shiva for these past 3 days. Hi guys, we are back home, completely exhausted. Tiring journey, not from Katpadi to Chennai, but from Chennai to home. My friend Shiva is too exhausted right now to speak up. So these 3 days was great. So being a long weekend, I enjoyed a lot. It would have been not so interesting and pleasant if it wasn't for Shiva to accompany me. Thank you Shiva for being with me all through the journey. I want to know about his experience in this journey, but he is not very interested to appear in front of the camera, but he is showing his signs. I guess he liked it as well. After a few days I was just collaging all these things and I will log. And one of the most embarrassing things that I have seen after this journey is I use so many times. So that's like, what? I will be thinking of correcting my way of speaking. So right now, logging off. Thanks for the journey. Thanks for accompanying me. And I guess you guys enjoyed watching the places that I visited. Thanks all. Have a great time. And do go visit places if you have been traveling a lot in your childhood. It's good to bring back your memories. Bye bye.